I'm going to be paying someone on Fiverr $5 to build me a Shopify dropshipping store. What's going on, guys? Yash here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is absolutely having a great week and a great day. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So recently, over the past few months, I've been seeing some other dropshippers on YouTube do this little challenge, if it is an actual challenge, to go to Fiverr and actually have someone else build a store out for you. However, today, I wanted to go the lowest of lowest tiers, right? Only pay someone a minimum of $5, which, if you guys don't know even what Fiverr is basically a website where you can actually hire virtual contractors or virtual designers relating to any task you want to get completed, whether it be computer science, graphic design, digital marketing, copywriting, literally anything. I know Fiverr has an influx of people offering dropshipping related services, also more known as drop servicing as well. Okay, so as I was saying, I want to kind of go the lowest of lowest tier and see what kind of store I can personally get built for only $5. Okay, now I'm obviously only doing this to kind of doing it for fun, kind of see what I can get in return, because a lot of people are doing it. I know a lot of people are doing like $10 versus $500 stores, but for this video, I wanted to see what I can get for only $5. Now, just to know, I always build my own stores just because I like them perfect. I like them my way. I'm a very detail-oriented and minuscule person, so I always till this day get my stores built by myself. I actually remember my first store I ever got made or ever started to dropship on 2.5 years ago was actually done on Fiverr, and they did not really do a good job. So anyway, guys, without further ado, please do drop a huge like on this video and subscribe to the channel and join the family so you guys do stay updated with all my most and recent content. And last but not least, feel free to join my free Facebook group, Ecom Masterminds. I will be leaving a link to that in the description below with all my other social media platforms as well. Let's jump right into it. So guys, over here I am on Fiverr.com, and I have used Fiverr before for like to contact and to hire VAs, like virtual assistants and stuff like that, for my dropshipping stores for order fulfillment and customer support and whatnot. So let's just go to find services and let's type in dropshipping store, and I can almost confidently say that there's probably going to be a ton of dropshippers or dropshipping servicers that are going to be offering something like this. So just kind of filter some results out so we really get what we're looking for. Let's go to category. Okay, so we'll leave category alone actually. Let's go to service options and let's do Shopify, because e-commerce websites can be also made on websites like WooCommerce, Wix, and Squarespace and stuff like that too. Seller details, so let's do, did we even press on apply? Let me make sure I press on apply. Yeah, so it seemed like we pressed on apply. Seller details, we will go to English. You want someone who speaks English fluently. Delivery time, I'm not going to touch that, really however many days it takes. But for budget, let's go to, why is Fiverr giving me such a hard time, guys? Let's do $5 to $10. So again, minimum gig, and gig is basically what people offer, has to be $5. So we're literally paying the lowest of lowest tier, like I mentioned in the beginning. So you're gonna click on apply and let that load. So again, like I said, I was right. There's like a bunch of people offering this service. I will create a 7-figure dropshipping store automated within. So yeah, guys, there's literally a bunch of services. Okay, let's actually click on 101. Okay, so let's click on. I haven't really done this in a long time, guys. Again, like the first time I actually did it, was 2.5 years ago, the last time I got my store done. But let's go for this one. I will design a single product Shopify dropshipping store for the USA. I personally focus a lot on one product store, so let's decide to go on that one and see what this guy can personally offer us. So initial pack, this comes with 4-day delivery, responsive design, necessary plugins, top selling product. So he will actually all the descriptions and pricing, and also with an extension or a plugin as well. And he's gotten a decent number of reviews as well. So again, I don't want to keep looking around because again, there's hundreds or even probably thousands of people offering this gig right here in specific. So let's just go to continue. And guys, bear with me. I don't know why Fiverr is super slow. So payment gateway, social platform, social posts. We don't need really any of that. What we're really interested in is really the store itself, right? The actual build out of the store. So the total is $7 because that's how Fiverr makes their money, right? Fiverr takes a service fee, right? So it will be $7. But technically, we're only paying $5 for the actual gig or service itself. So again, it's going to take 4 days, and you can see I'm actually paying for it. Confirm and pay. No, Honey, thank you so much, but we don't want any coupon codes. Honey is a great extension, by the way. It really saves you a ton of money when you're shopping online. So we will discuss in the inbox. Okay, that's very interesting. So I guess he'll ask me for certain information if he kind of really needs it in the inbox itself, which I don't know what he's going to ask me, but I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated in the next clip that you guys see in terms of our conversation and kind of what he really asked me as well. I'm actually going to be obviously displaying or showcasing the store to you guys as well. Your order is now in the works. Awesome. And our delivery due date is May 13th. So the store is now completed. As you can see right here, the status does mark completed. Now, I did mention in the last segment that when I did complete the order on the order page, he actually said that he was going to hit me up, he was going to message me, asking about some details, which he obviously did, right? So if we scroll up right here, he basically said, hey, thank you for placing the order. And he's confirming if this is for a one product store, right? And I said, yes, as the gig offers. Then he proceeds to ask me what product I want to actually sell. Now, I just told him that you choose for me because I believe he said in the gig that he does pick a winning product, right, to put with this actual one product store. So what he basically did is he just sent me a whole list of different products. A lot of these dropshipping products, I would say 80 to 90%, I'm pretty familiar with them. I've sold or I've basically seen someone else sell, whether it be my one-on-one clients or I've basically just seen ads upon on Facebook or Instagram. So anyway, I basically went with the home ice cream maker. I think that's something very important to sell right now, kind of in this case or scenario that we are in. I think it's pretty relevant. The weather is getting better, especially here in most of the U.S., and a lot of people want to eat ice cream, so kind of having that feeling to eat ice cream at home, I think it's a product that will do really well as more and more places are still closed outside, due to this lockdown. So I think that's something pretty cool. People are going to have more gatherings and stuff like that. So basically, I told him the home ice cream maker, yada, yada, yada. He basically transferred the store to me. And, I'm basically going to be taking a first look at this $5 Shopify store with you guys. I haven't really taken a look just yet, so I wanted to kind of record my initial reaction to this. So if we go to themes, as you can see, Home Scoops, the store is now transitioned under my name. So we're going to go to view, guys. Now, again, this is my first impression, so let's do a little audit in terms of what a $5 store off of Fiverr can get us. Now, again, I'm a really big fan of one product stores myself. I really, really focus on micro branding one product stores. If you want to check out my one product store success blueprint, it should be somewhere right here, so feel free to click on that. But anywho, I'm going to stop talking as the store is loading. We can see Home Scoops. I think it's a very generic, basic logo. I think it's just like a picture from clip art and just like some text. It's not anything unique or anything like that. I think make that on Canva. But nonetheless, this is the actual product, right? It's basically an ice cream maker that basically makes like ice cream for you at home. Really, kind of what it says. So over here we have free shipping on every order in the U.S. Home, shop, contact us. I would have an about us page, which is very important. Um, this graphic right here, I guess it's okay. I think these are a little bit blurry, but I think they're okay in terms of pictures. Nothing sweeter than whipping your own ice cream, especially with the scorching summer heat. Okay, so he did like a little about us snippet right here about the store and what the product has to offer. He has some featured products. White do-it-yourself automatic frozen fruit ice cream desert machine. So the product title is a little bit off for all of these. What I would do is I would basically put the title of the store and then the actual product. So it would be like Home Scoops do-it-yourself frozen ice cream machine or something like that. So I see that we have two of the same products, and we have the other one right here, which seems a little bit more high ticket. This one is featured. So yeah, I mean, the description definitely 100% of the actual product title has to be changed. The product description, I think it's okay. There's really no breaks. I would definitely like a break somewhere around here. I also don't like the red. This picture is much clearer. I think if you use that over here, it would look much better. The other big thing I'm realizing is that this is a free theme, if I'm not mistaken. It's just a very basic free theme. I think it should be somewhere on the bottom. Yep, right here. It's a Debutify theme, which is okay. I personally just recommend using professional paid themes. They're just a little bit more customizable. You can see that there's some errors right here too, like grammatical errors. And here it says free shipping, and then it says fast shipping. I mean, I guess the trust badges are okay, nothing really crazy. I would also add like an FAQs page. I would also add a shipping policy page as well, or a shipping and delivery policy page. And I will also have a pop-up on the store as well, some sort of email pop-up. This YouTube video, I mean, doesn't look really too professional. It's from the guy's YouTube account, so I don't know how legit it really makes this when a potential customer is viewing it. But I guess he did make the effort. Right here, back to the description, I think it's just too cluttered. It's just too much. I don't like this. This is just not needed in the description. That's why you have different tabs right here. Installation, more pictures. I mean, a lot of these things can just be included in the specifications in the description. So the description, I give it like literally a 2 or 3 out of 10. I think it's not very succinct, not very organized. It's not very compelling or enticing at all. There's no use of proper grammar, proper structure, proper framework physically. And I think there also can be breaks as well, like I said. So I think the description can be definitely worked upon. Overall, I mean, it's your very basic, generic dropshipping store. It's not really too branded. Like, the idea of micro branding that I really, really pay attention after is not really depicted in this store. But I wasn't expecting really much. It was $5, guys, so I kind of wanted to see what that can offer, and what kind of store I got presented with, right? So again, these are just all the changes I would make right off the bat with this store. Maybe adding some reviews, maybe adding like an Instagram. Again, this just kind of throws people off, so I'm not going to personally play that. But honestly, it just has to be tidied up a little bit, and just a little bit more succinct, I guess, in general. So overall, guys, I'm not going to obviously go ahead and sell this product. I do think that this is a great product, by the way. I don't see many people selling this. So if you guys are watching it, you can definitely take this product and make a way better one product store out of it. So yeah, definitely, guys, do your due diligence and do your research. I personally haven't done any prior research on this. I just basically picked the product from the ones he suggested because I was more interested in the actual store, right? What kind of store can we get for $5 off of Fiverr? Well, now you guys know. If you want me to do a really expensive store order from Fiverr, like over $150 or paying $200 even more on Fiverr and getting another gig done, definitely drop in the comments below if you want me to do that. I'm really curious to see what kind of delivery I can get with paying like $150 or $200. So drop it in the comments below. Anywho, guys, I think this was obviously just for fun. I kind of wanted to see again what was really possible. I don't personally recommend going to Fiverr for stores. I get all my store built outs done by my team, or I personally do them by myself. So with that being said, guys, if you have any questions, thoughts, concerns, please do leave them in the comments as well. And with that being said, guys, I hope you guys got some information and value out of this and make some wise decisions, and also to kind of structure your one product store as well. With that being said, guys, thank you so much, and I will talk to you soon. Hope you enjoyed.